So if anyone ever has the pleasures of doing an alternator on a 1.6 diesel Fiat 500X, is it? XXL, 7-seater thing. 1.6 diesel, a lot of people say that you gotta take it at the bottom of the car, basically remove the drive shaft. Well, you ain't getting out of the bottom of the car just by removing the drive shaft. You'd have to remove the oil cooler as well, the oil filter housing. Similar to like the old 1.9 CDCI engines that were in the Vectra Cs. Top of the alternator has that bracket with the 2 bolts at the top and a single bolt at the bottom. I pulled it out the top, just there. So if anyone's struggling, engine mount off, support the engine with a jack, airbox out. I removed the fuel filter and the fuel filter housing just to make it easier to get to the alternator and the bolt. But yeah, basically just lower the engine down slightly and it'll come up through there. Happy days.